In this video, I will demonstrate the steps to enable driving mode on an iPhone. This feature is designed to minimize distractions while driving by automatically muting or restricting notifications from messages, calls, emails, and other applications. To activate driving mode on your iPhone, follow these steps. Open the Settings app from your app library. Scroll down and select Focus. Tap the plus icon in the top right corner. From the list of features, select Driving. Scroll down to the While Driving section and choose how you want to activate the feature. You can choose to turn it on manually, automatically, or when your phone connects to your car's Bluetooth. By following these steps, you can successfully enable driving mode on your iPhone, ensuring a safer and more focused driving experience.